Today's video is about your first grocery run. If you want to find out what I suggest, keep watching. We have already talked about finding your macros and putting them in the MyFitnessPal app. If you did not see that video, I'll put it in an eye up and I'll put it in the description below. So just check that out. So these are the items that I try to always have at home. And I thought it'd be a good starting point for you. My staples are cheddar cheese. I always get the block kind. The second thing I like to always have is sour cream. I always compare the different packages. I look at the packages and I see which one has the lower carb. And this is the one that I found. The next thing is almond flour. I get the fine ground coconut flour. We use those in lots of recipes. They take a place of regular flour. Butter. I always get butter. Hot dogs. I always compare to get the lowest carbohydrates. Some have more, some have less. So don't grab just the first one that you see. Bacon. I always look for what's on sale. Sausage. Pork rinds. I look for the ones that have the fewest ingredients. The ones I like have just 2 ingredients, pork rinds and salt. Canned tuna. Mayonnaise, I like the avocado oil based one the best. Heavy whipping cream. Again, compare the labels. Eggs, I always get the 60 count. I go through a lot of eggs. Cocoa powder. It's the baking chocolate. It has no sugar in it. So coffee. I have to have my coffee every morning, so I make sure I have coffee. An artificial sweetener that I like is Swerve or monk fruits. What I like to drink, I don't like to drink diet soda. I do like to drink Ziva. Z-E-V-I-A, I think it's pronounced Ziva Cola. Parmesan cheese, and this is the Parmesan cheese that I like. Apple cider vinegar, but make sure it's the apple cider vinegar that says mother on it. Avocado oil is the kind I like to use. Avocado oil, almonds, hot sauce, Philadelphia cream cheese, broccoli, fresh broccoli, cauliflower, fresh cauliflower, avocado. I only like to get one a week because they turn so fast, because I only eat half of one at a time. Celery, hamburger meat, and then there are certain spices that I like to have on hand. I always have Himalayan pink salt, dried oregano, crushed red peppers, ground cumin, pepper, chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. If you want a copy of this, I call it a beginner's list, but it's a good starting point, I think, to have on hand. There are lots of recipes. You will add and take away things as you get more used to this diet and what your taste preferences are. And the description for you, if you want to print it out or bring it up on your phone when you're going through the grocery store, there are many recipes that you can make, and this is a good starting point. I feel that it'll be handy for you. At least I hope so. If you think of anything that I forgot to add, please leave it down below. And thank you for watching. Until I see you again, bye.